Hello students. So in the previous lecture you all have seen that you all have got to know about what is networking concept, what are the advantage of networking. Now in this lecture you are going to know what are the networking media, what are the types of networking media, how we can use it. Networking medium, the medium that can be used to provide the transmission of data from the sender to the receiver. So networking media is divided into two parts. First one is the wired networking technology and second one is wireless networking technology. पहले में हम पढ़ेंगे वायर्ड नेटवर्किंग, जिसमें हम केबल या वायर का यूज़ करते हैं. तो वायर्ड नेटवर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी में भी डिवाइड है and it is divided into three parts. One is the Ethernet cable, second is the coaxial cable and third is the optical fiber cable. So first of all we will get to know about the Ethernet cable. देखेंगे Ethernet cable क्या है. ठीक. So Ethernet cable, it is in the form of wire, consist of 8 wires. ठीक है. Ethernet cable क्या होता है, जैसे आप LAN cable होता है, it is an Ethernet cable. ये आप देख सकते हैं. This is the figure of Ethernet cable. ठीक. Now you will come to know what is an Ethernet cable. It consists of 8 wires. It consists of 8 wires that is used to develop the local area network. ठीक है. कोई भी LAN कनेक्शन डेवलप करना हो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. दूसरी चीज़, इसमें जो पावर कंजम्पशन है वो भी काफ़ी लेस होती है. ठीक है. इट कंज्यूम्स लेस पावर. दिस इज द एडवांटेज. नाउ इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज द crossover cable and second is the straight through cable. Now what we will see in the crossover cable, that with the help of crossover cable we can connect the computer with each other without the use of hub or switch. Basically hub or switch is used to connect multiple devices, but here we are not using hub or switch in the case of crossover cable. In the second one is that straight through cable. In this we are going to use hub or switch to connect more than 2 systems at a time. ठीक है. Now next we are going to know about the second part, that is the coaxial cable. This cable is basically used by the cable television industry. Those who are providing the cable connection, they are using those type of cable to provide the cable connection. And its transmission capabilities also high, means the data is transmitted at a very high speed as compared to the Ethernet cable. ठीक है. It consists of a central copper wire, means in the central it is centrally coppered, which is surrounded by insulation. You can see the figure of coaxial cable. This is the coaxial cable which you all have seen in your home, that it is attached to your TV. Now it's transmit data at a very high speed. As already I have told you that the data transmission speed is already high as compared to Ethernet cable in this case. There are disadvantage also of this coaxial cable, that it is installation and maintenance cost is high. That it cost high for its installation as well as maintaining. Now it is also divided into two parts, that is the baseband and broadband. So when we are going to discuss about baseband, it supports short distance transmission of data. ठीक है. It transmits only a single signal at a time. But in broadband what happens, with the help of broadband it supports multiple signal. Multiple signal can be sent from one system, from one location to another, and it supports longer distances also. Now the third one is optical fiber cable, which is very efficient as compared to Ethernet cable and coaxial cable in respect of data transmission. It supports larger capacity to send the data for its transmission of data, and it consists of a glass core containing central glass core. ठीक है. इसके जो सेंट्रल में होता है वो एक ग्लास कोर होता है जो चारों तरफ से ग्लास वायर से, तार से, केबल से घिरा हुआ होता है. It provides better data transmission. Better data transmission means without any disturbance. ठीक है. डेटा अच्छी तरीके से एक जगह से दूसरे जगह बिना किसी डिस्टर्बेंस के मूव करता है. एंड वन डिसएडवांटेज ऑल्सो, दैट इट्स मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट इज़ हाई. इसको मेंटेन करना काफ़ी कॉस्टली पड़ जाता है. So these are the things, and in the next lecture we will see about wireless networking technology. Thank you.